Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable verification via Face ID on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your OnlyFans account. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like home, notifications, new post, chat, and your user icon. Tap on your user icon, then go to settings. Under settings, select account, then scroll down. Now under the category security, you'll find two-step authentication, where you'll find two more categories: primary options and additional options. Go ahead and look for the verification via Face ID option under additional options. Turn it on, then you'll successfully enable verification via Face ID on OnlyFans. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.